Hey friends, if you encounter the error office something went wrong, error code 1058-13, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you the main culprit behind this error. It is the Microsoft Click to Run service and we can enable it. So here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. So scroll down to the Microsoft Office Click to Run service. Right click on it and restart it. And if it's not started, then simply click on start. Next one is to repair Office. So search for Microsoft 365 and click on this downward pointing arrow here. Select app settings, scroll down, click on repair. Let it repair the app, and once you get the tick here, it would be done. If not, then you can also reset this app once. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.